Continuing on with transformations of quadratic and absolute value functions, we are adding in a new transformation, reflection across the x-axis. So here are our functions in vertex form. Remember that h is the horizontal shift, k is the vertical shift, and if a is negative, the function is reflected across the x-axis. So let's describe how each of these functions compares to the parent function. So a is a quadratic function. The parent function would be f of x equals x squared. Now if we see a negative in front, that means this is reflected across the x-axis. And we have k here, which means that it is shifted 3 units down. For b, we have an absolute value function. So my parent function is f of x equals the absolute value of x. And the transformations are reflected, and there is a horizontal shift to the left. Now let's graph these transformations. So here is the parent function for quadratics, but if we want to graph the reflection, then we are just simply flipping this upside down. So you're going to keep the vertex in the same spot, but you're going to do a mirror image going down. For the absolute value function, again, keep the vertex in the same place, but it's a mirror image pointing down now. Oops. Okay, so now let's look at reflection with horizontal and vertical shift. So there are 3 transformations here. The first is reflection. The next one is shifting right 1 unit. And shifting up 3 units. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is move the vertex. So let's move the vertex right 1 unit and up 3 units. So here is my new vertex. And it's reflected. So instead of going up in a V shape, I'm going down in a V shape. When you graph these, I need you to plot those 5 critical points every time. That way, if your line isn't perfectly straight, I can see that your vertex and the other 4 points are in the correct spot. For number 4, this is a quadratic. It is reflected. It's shifted left 5 units. And down 1 unit. So let's move the vertex first. left 5, and down 1. Here is my new vertex, and it's going to be going down. So 1 down and out in each direction, and then 3 down and out in each direction. So this is what you'll be practicing today.